Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing well back home. This is Chuck Moore. Forgive the hat, forgive the beard, forgive the non-uniform, but I'm wearing Air Force Blue. But I thought my hair is really out of regs, so I thought I'd just go all in and look shabby for all of you guys. I wanted to give you a quick video update. This will be just a couple minutes, but it's important for me to share some things with you guys that I think are difficult to communicate on Blackboard and Teams. First of all, we've got lesson 24 coming up, hybrid warfare. It's a really interesting topic, I think. It's that weird gray area between traditional combat operations and kind of deniable activities. You'll see the most recent example that we've heard about in our history is Russia meddling with our elections back in 2016. They had Facebook bot farms to help incite kind of civil discourse and civil unrest with a lot of contemporary topics, to include some fake pages devoted to Black Lives Matter and other things like that that are real issues, don't get me wrong, but they're designed to create discord in our nation. Of course, Russia has denied any kind of involvement in this, and that brings the point of how can the U.S. respond? It is definitely disrupting our democracy, but it's not a wartime effort. It's something kind of in between. So Russia can conceivably deny it. So how does the United States respond to this? This is kind of the challenge of hybrid warfare. It's a growing thing that you'll see a lot of. So I've devoted a couple things. I've posted on Blackboard, which is our primary mechanism to deliver course content. I posted a one-page lesson plan that captures some of the reading. It also includes 4 videos that I'd like you guys to take a look at that does a good job explaining hybrid warfare, especially the final videos that you'll see. It's a great example from, I think, a German military officer, where he describes some of what's been happening in Russia to the lead up to some of this cyber meddling. It's again that gray line. I also want to highlight a few things with regards to how we're going to communicate as a class moving forward. You guys have probably noted the Teams application, and y'all have done a good job using that. I would ask you, anytime I post something, would you please give it a quick thumbs up to show me that you've read it? That's going to be a way for me to communicate information in a more timely manner. And as mentioned, Blackboard is going to be our primary content delivery. So regarding the Teams application, if you do have any questions, please just chat me using the chat feature, and I'll try to respond within a few hours. And if we need to set up some kind of a video EI or anything like that, I'm happy to accommodate. I know you're all in different time zones, so just let me know in chat and we'll work out the battle rhythm as the weeks go on here. Secondly, we've got class on Thursday, which is tomorrow, and then on Monday we've got our lesson 25, our short answer test, and a couple reminders on the short answer test. This is going to be essay-driven, Blackboard, closed notes, closed book. I will provide you guys with a snapshot of the whiteboard that we have in class that kind of shows the entire layout of our curriculum, and that'll be accessible to you just like it would be accessible in class, and that'll help you to kind of pick some topics you can use to address specifically in the short answer test. I'll provide more updates on the short answer test as we approach, but in the absence of anything else to do, maybe now is a good time to begin reviewing the content from previous lessons, because you'll have to take that information and actually apply it to some specific questions we're going to ask you. Rather than just memorizing things on previous exams where you could select A, B, C, or D, you're going to actually have to understand the content and apply it. And again, what we're looking for as we grade the short answer test is a very specific course application and course content that is going to be applied to these answers. So the more specific concepts you can use and leverage, the better off you'll be. Again, if you have any questions, please chat with me. I look forward to catching up with you guys somehow, some way, and hang in there. Enjoy this quarantine. Look forward to seeing you guys maybe as we approach graduation, okay? All my best.